Today we're going to be packing order 2637. Let's go ahead and pack the order. So order 2637 is the cream thong prank with the standard card choice, as well as a custom message saying, "Hope you enjoyed this. Love, Mom," as well as a scratch-on sticker. All right, so we're going to go ahead and grab our envelope to start. Then we're going to go ahead and grab our cream lace. Then we'll grab our standard card choice. And we'll just also grab our scratch-off stickers. There we go. All right, then go ahead and grab your stapler and staple the lace to the envelope. Okay, then we'll go ahead and print the custom message. Then we'll go ahead and take that custom message, put it directly on the card, just like that. And then we'll go ahead and grab the scratch off sticker add-on, which is an extra $1. And this makes it so that whoever you're sending it to has to scratch off to reveal their message. Just like that. All right, then we're gonna go ahead and take that, put it directly in the card, or in the envelope, peel off the adhesive. This is going to the United States. So we get our 2 stamps. And there you go. Thanks for ordering.